Hi guys, welcome to my channel again. I wanna discuss or share to you guys my experience in CFO seminar. But before that, guys, after your U.S. Embassy interview and they said that you are approved, that's the time you schedule your CFO seminar, so you are not wasting of your money. So what I did is when I finished my interview, I scheduled my CFO seminar in Cebu City because I live in Cebu, so it's easy for me. So the available schedule is July 3. So that's my schedule for CFO seminar, guys. And I came early in the morning during the July 3 my appointment. I print my appointment because they will email you the confirmation what the email that you put in the application and the CFO website. So I I received an email confirmation guide for my appointment. The day come for my seminar, CFO seminar in Cebu. I came early in the morning I came at 8 o'clock, guys. So I don't want to be late. So and I don't want to be I want to be the first applicant to be interviewed after the seminar, because after the seminar, guys, they interviewed individual applicants. So that's why I come early. So I bring my and the CFO, guys, I bring my appointment letter, my all documents also, guys, I bring during my interview in the US Embassy. All documents also I bring. So the passport, everything, guys, that I bring in the US Embassy interview, I bring also in the CFO seminar. Then the CFO seminar, guys, the in charge, guys, for the seminar, it's they give you update that they give you more information about the Filipino embassy here in the United States. If there is a problem of embarrassing or of legal rights, guys, they give you information, contact number, website. That's that's the CFO seminars did. So they give you information about the legality and who's the contact person, website. So that's the purpose of CFO clearance, guys. So Filipino are guided if they're here in the United States. So you need to attend that CFO seminar because you cannot proceed to your travel if without CFO seminar, because very strict guides. So the you pay you pay at 400 pesos, guys, for the CFO. Okay, this is the receipts. You bring money for CFO, guys, you pay there, guys, in the CFO office. It's the amount of 400 pesos. In the website, you cannot pay there. You directly during the time of your interview, that's the time you pay the CFO seminar amounting to 400. So before you pay, guys, you need to fill out the form. The CFO staff will give you the form and you fill out. After you fill out, that's the time you pay the amounting of 400 pesos. So you will wait the schedule of the seminar. Our schedule is 1 o'clock of the seminar, but I came onward because I need to be early, because when the interview they will once they interviewed, it depends on what you time arrive in the office. So I came early, so I am the first applicants interviewed. So come early, guys. Much better you come early than to wait until but it's easy questions. It's about the relationship of your fiance, and no worries for the question, guys. If your relationship is genuine, what I said is no worries. But the important is, you know, the background of your fiance, and also you know how to answer frequently to the interviewer of the CFO. So that's not a seminars, guys, but they will interview the applicant. So you prepared everything, all documents that the U.S. Embassy interview you bring. So bring it bring also during the CFO seminar, because they will ask you some other documents. So that's it, guys. After the interview, guys, you wait, because they will give you a certificate. This is my certificate, guys, and the CFO, and the amount. This is the amount. So you cannot travel, go in the United States without this. So you need to attend a seminar and interview for the CFO seminar. It means CFO is Commission of Filipinos Overseas. So they will guide you, and it's like a counseling, guys. Not interview, but counseling, how to be prepared for legality in the United States. So good luck, guys, and hopefully it's easy for you to come here in United States. And that's all for my CFO and seminar interview. Bye.